Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Vue.js video tutorial we will see what is the custom directive, and these are the points of the video. First of all, we will see what is the directives and what is the custom directives, then how we can make it, then how we will use the value with the custom directive. We will make an example and we will test the example also, alright? And the example will be done in the both way, with the value of the custom directives and without the value also. So what is the directive? So directives are basically used to modify or manipulate your HTML part. For example, you just want to make some loop, you just want to hide and show the HTML part, then you can use the directives. So directives are always start with the v hyphen. This is the list of the by default directive which is provided by the Vue. All right, so we basically most of the time we use the bind and else if and for and all right. So I already made the video on these topics, so you can get the link from the description box. So now let's see what is the custom directive. So obviously there is a lots of directive, but still sometimes we need to make some custom directives. So now you may have a question that why I need to make a custom directive, why I cannot make a simple function, because if you just make a simple function you have to call it in the every file. But when you make the directives, then you don't need to call this function. It will automatically register in your application when your application is loaded. All right, so now let's see how we can, what we are just going to make. So here you can see that this is the output of our this tag. All right, so I'm just going to make a custom directive that will just make it small, medium and large with the help of value, right? So now let's see. So for that, let's say I just want to make the name of this custom directive is size. So I have to define it with the v hyphen size. All right, so now to use it or to define it, just go inside the main.js and just simply use here view dot directive, and it have the two parameters. One is your directive name, which is size, and second one is basically a object, right? And in this object we have a bind function, and it has a three value. One is el, that is element, second is binding, and third one is v node. All right, so for a moment I will just only use el. So just we can use here el dot style dot font size. Font size can be like 100 pixel and it should be inside the quotes. So now let's see, make a refresh on it, and now you can see that the size of this text is changed. All right, so this is, you can say that this is our basic of custom directive. So if you just want to make some copies or you just want to make in the any another component, you can just simply use it like this. Right, everywhere the font size is applied here. You can see that in the inspect element part also size is 100 pixel for everyone. All right, but this is the default value. Just I want to make some defined value. So just I want to make it small like this. Right, or I just want to make it medium and large and all. Right, so for a moment I'm just going to remove it, and now let's see how we can just use this value here. So here I can just use comma binding, right, and just use here if binding dot value equal small, right? Then we have to run a condition. After that we can also run else if the value is big, and at the last we can also run a else condition. Just we don't need it, right? And just put this el here. Alright, so if we have a small size, then font size can be a 20 pixel. Perfect. If we have a big size, then 150, and if have the normal size, then we can have a 50 pixel, right? So now we have what is the value of okay, I just have to use a value here. This is my mistake. Let me correct it. Yep. So now you can see that the small size is small because this condition is matching here. Here you can see that. All right. So I just want to make the two more condition. So now I just want to make a big, and here I just remove to all values. Then what is going on? So here you can see that first of all the small case is match, then big, and then the normal case. All right. So this is the way that how we can just change the style with custom directives, and we can pass the value also. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.